ਤੇ ਦਾਗੀ ਅਫਸਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਤਾਂ ਭੰਨਿਆ ਸੀ, ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲਿਆ ਕੇ ਉਹੀ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਖੜਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ। ਮੈਂ ਇਹਦਾ ਵਿਰੋਧ ਕਰਦਾ। ਨੰਬਰ 2, ਮਾਵਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਕੁੱਖਾਂ ਰੋਲਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡਾ ਮੁੱਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਅਫਸਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਦਾਇਿਤਵ ਨਿਭਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਦਿੱਤੀ, ਸੁਰੱਖਿਆ ਕਵਚ ਪਾਏ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਮਾਵਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਕੁੱਖਾਂ ਰੋਲਤੀਆਂ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਰੇਦਾਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ। मैं ते अड़ू ते लड़ू, जानदा सब कुछ जान। उसूलों पे आँच आए तो टकराना ज़रूरी है, और जिंदा हो तो जिंदा नज़र आना ज़रूरी है। ये मेरा बुजुर्ग लाहौर च जदों अंग्रेज़ों के खिलाफ लड़ता सी ना, उदों नारा बुलंद करता सी। मेरी रूह की आवाज़ पंजाब की प्रगति, पंजाब नूं जिताउण दे लई कोई समझौता नहीं है। But the collapse of a man's character stems from the compromise of वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह।
And coming in right there now,
ਲਈ ਲੜਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ, ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਨੂੰ ਬਿਹਤਰ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਲੜਾਈ ਲੜਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਤੇ ਸਾਧਾਂ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਲੜਾਈ ਲੜਨ ਲਈ ਸਿਰਮੱਥੇ किसी भी चीज़ की कुर्बानी मैं दूंगा, लेकिन सिद्धांतां ते खड़ूंगा। इहदे लई मैनूं कोई सोचण की लोड़ नहीं है। दागी लीडरां ते दागी अफसरां दा सिस्टम तां भन्निया सी, दुबारा उन्हां नूं लिया के उही सिस्टम खड़ा नहीं किया जा सकदा। मैं इहदा विरोध करदा। नंबर 2, मावां ਦੀਆਂ ਕੁੱਖਾਂ ਰੋਲਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡਾ ਮੁੱਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਅਫਸਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਦਾਇਿਤਵ ਨਿਭਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਦਿੱਤੀ, ਸੁਰੱਖਿਆ ਕਵਚ ਪਾਏ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਮਾਵਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਕੁੱਖਾਂ ਰੋਲਤੀਆਂ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਰੇਦਾਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ। ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਅੜੂ ਤੇ ਲੜੂ, ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਜਾਣ। उसूलों पे आँच आए तो टकराना ज़रूरी है, और जिंदा हो तो जिंदा नज़र आना ज़रूरी है। ये मेरा बुजुर्ग लाहौर च जदों अंग्रेज़ों के खिलाफ लड़ता सी ना, उदों नारा बुलंद करता सी। मेरी रूह की आवाज़ पंजाब की प्रगति, पंजाब नूं जिताउण दे लई कोई समझौता नहीं है। But the collapse of a man's character stems from the compromise of वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह।
Navjot Singh Sidhu's first reaction coming in after the resignation as the PCC. 72 days into being the PCC, Navjot Singh Sidhu resigned yesterday, and now his first up reaction coming in there. He's saying he's going to continue fighting till his last breath, and he's also further gone on to speak about how he is fighting for the people of Punjab. This is his first reaction after resignation. Let's get our reporters to also elucidate exactly what Navjot Singh Sidhu has said. He says he will not compromise on any of his principles. So he's taken a stance right there saying that he's fighting for principles. He's declared open war at the moment. This is the first up reaction that is coming in of Navjot Singh Sidhu after the pandemonium created yesterday, where you had him resign all of a sudden after 72 days of being in power as the PCC. He's broken his silence now. He's spoken out. He goes on to say his fight is for the people of Punjab. That's the big breaking news coming in. Let's listen in to Navjot Singh Sidhu once again.
प्यारे पंजाबी, 17 साल ਦਾ ਰਾਜਨੀਤਿਕ ਸਫ਼ਰ ਇੱਕ ਮਕਸਦ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀਤਾ। ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਨੂੰ ਬਿਹਤਰ ਕਰਨਾ, ਟੂ ਮੇਕ ਅ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ, और मुद्दों की राजनीति के उत्ते एक स्टैंड लैके खड़ना, यही मेरा धर्म सी, यही मेरा फर्ज सी। मेरी अज तक किसी नाल कोई निजी किड़ नहीं रही, ना ही मैं निजी लड़ाइयाँ लड़ियाँ ने। मेरी लड़ाई मुद्दों की है, मसलों की है, और पंजाब पक्षी एक एजेंडे की है, जिहदे ते मैं बहुत देर दा खड़ा रहा। ਔਰ ਇਸ ਏਜੰਡੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਪੱਖ ਪੂਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਮੈਂ ਹੱਕ ਸੱਚ ਦੀ ਲੜਾਈ ਲੜਦਾ ਰਿਹਾ। ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਕੋਈ ਸਮਝੌਤਾ ਸੀ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ, ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਅਹੁਦਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਮਾਇਨਾ ਸੀ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ। ਇਹ ਮੇਰਾ ਫਰਜ਼ ਸੀ, ਮੇਰਾ ਧਰਮ ਸੀ। ਇਹ ਮੇਰੇ ਪਿਓ ਨੇ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਦੱਸੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਵੀ ਦਵੰਦ ਹੋਵੇ ਸੱਚ ਦੀ ਰਾਹ 'ਤੇ ਤੁਰ ਤੇ ਮੋਰਲ ਅਥਾਰਟੀ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ, ਨੈਤਿਕਤਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਸਮਝੌਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਲ ਆਏ। ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਮੁੱਦਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਸਮਝੌਤਾ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ, ਅੱਜ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖਦਾ ਕਿ ਮੇਰਾ ਪ੍ਰਥਮ ਕਾਜ ਮੇਰੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੇ ਚਰਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਧੂੜ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਿਰ ਤੇ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਉਸ ਇਨਸਾਫ ਲਈ ਲੜਨਾ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਲੋਕ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਆਤੁਰ ਨੇ, ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖਦਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ 6-6 ਸਾਲ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਬਾਦਲਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਲੀਨ ਚਿੱਟਾਂ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ, ਛੋਟੇ ਛੋਟੇ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਤਸ਼ੱਦਦ ਕੀਤੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉੱਤਰਦਾਇਤਵ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਇਨਸਾਫ ਦਾ, ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖਦਾ ਤੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਰੂਹ ਘਬਰਾਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਬਲੈਂਕਟ ਬੇਲਾਂ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਐਡਵੋਕੇਟ ਜਨਰਲ ਨੇ। ਤੇ ਕੀ ਏਜੰਡਾ ਹੈ? ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਹਰ ਮਸਲੇ ਦਾ ਹੱਲ ਵੀਰੋ ਇਨਕਮ ਹੈ। ਜਿਹੜੇ ਲੋਕ ਮਸਲਿਆਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ, ਉਹ ਮਸਲੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਨੇ? ਉਹ ਸਾਧਨ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਨੇ? ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਸਾਧਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਦੇ ਮਕਾਮ ਤੱਕ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਂਗੇ? ਮੈਂ ਨਾ ਤੇ ਹਾਈ ਕਮਾਂਡ ਨੂੰ ਗੁੰਮਰਾਹ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਗੁੰਮਰਾਹ ਹੋਣ ਦੇ ਸਕਦਾ। ਸਰਮੱਥੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੇ ਇਨਸਾਫ ਲਈ ਲੜਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ, ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਨੂੰ ਬਿਹਤਰ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਲੜਾਈ ਲੜਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਤੇ ਸਾਧਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਲੜਾਈ ਲੜਨ ਲਈ ਸਰਮੱਥੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਕੁਰਬਾਨੀ ਮੈਂ ਦਊਂਗਾ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਸਿਧਾਂਤਾਂ ਤੇ ਖੜੂੰਗਾ। ਇਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਸੋਚਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ। ਦਾਗੀ ਲੀਡਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਦਾਗੀ ਅਫਸਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਤਾਂ ਭੰਨਿਆ ਸੀ, ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲਿਆ ਕੇ ਉਹੀ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਖੜਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ। ਮੈਂ ਇਹਦਾ ਵਿਰੋਧ ਕਰਦਾ। ਨੰਬਰ 2, ਮਾਵਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਕੁੱਖਾਂ ਰੋਲਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡਾ ਮੁੱਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਅਫਸਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਦਾਇਿਤਵ ਨਿਭਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਦਿੱਤੀ, ਸੁਰੱਖਿਆ ਕਵਚ ਪਾਏ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਮਾਵਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਕੁੱਖਾਂ ਰੋਲਤੀਆਂ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਰੇਦਾਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ। ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਅੜੂ ਤੇ ਲੜੂ, ਜਾਂਦਾ सब कुछ जाए, उसूलों पे आँच आए तो टकराना ज़रूरी है और ज़िंदा हो तो ज़िंदा नज़र आना ज़रूरी है। ये मेरा बजुर्ग लाहौर च जदों अंग्रेज़ों के खिलाफ लड़ता सी ना, उदों नारा बुलंद सी मेरी रूह की आवाज़। पंजाब की प्रगति, पंजाब को जिताउण दे लई कोई समझौता नहीं, but the collapse of a man's character stems from the compromise of वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह।
All right, that's the first up reaction coming in from Navjot Singh Sidhu after resigning, going on to say he's going to continue to fight, says have taken a stance for Punjab. Kamaljeet Sandhu is now joining us live for the very latest on the story. Kamaljeet, Navjot Singh Sidhu finally ends up breaking his silence after resigning yesterday. Seems to be taking some sort of a moral high ground right there, but what are you picking up from the Congress? Are they going to relent to a sulking Sidhu at this point?
Well, this is a one-way track from Navjot Singh Sidhu. He's always said what he wanted to say. There have been caustic reactions to it. Now, it does seem that he's gone too far. And that is why it seems the High Command is not very happy with this public embarrassment of both Rahul as well as Priyanka Gandhi. Now, it does seem that he has chief ministerial ambitions, and that is why, whether it is Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa's name, which was first cropped up because he was the Judge Sikh, and he said if the Judge Sikh has to be made, then I should be the Chief Minister. So there have been past instances where a PCC chief has also been the Chief Minister. But here the embarrassment is much more because for the first time you have a Dalit Chief Minister. He has had his pick of the cabinet ministers, And it seems it's not gone down well with Navjot Singh Sidhu at all. Because he wanted his own men, whether it is regarding Gurjeet Singh Rana, whether it is regarding APS Deol. There were contentions that he's not happy with these appointments. One regarding illegal sand mining as well as corruption charges. The others being saying that he's been protecting Mr. Saini on fighting his case, something which the Congress has been opposed to. The other is when he talks about taking a high moral ground. He says, "I stand by my principles." That there should have been action against those people who have perpetrated crimes, especially in the past 6 years. A direct hit out at the Badals. But remember, the law and order as well as the court cases are something which have a due process. So yes, even though there was speculation that there could be some sort of an action which would immediately happen with a change of guard, but that has also not taken place. It does seem that Navjot Singh Sidhu is too miffed. But you know, in Hindi there is a quote which says "Chit bhi meri, pat bhi meri." So you can't have your way all the time. You can't always have your way. It's my way or the highway a strategy that Navjot Singh Sidhu has earlier had. And for now, it does seem that with Channi firmly in place, it does seem that the High Command is only willing to go a little far, but not further. To placate
Very
Navjot
interesting
Singh
is
Sidhu.
that what he ended up also saying is that he does not want to mislead the Gandhis. If he really does not want to mislead the Gandhis, did he end up speaking to the Gandhis once, or did he just tender his resignation as a mark of protest against the kind of appointments that were made by Channi?
You know, Congress is divided into camps. So even when this Captain Amrinder Singh faction versus Navjot Singh Sidhu was playing out, remember, Sidhu was given audience by both Priyanka as well as Rahul Gandhi, and the captain was not. And eventually we saw captain's exit. But going that far and still embarrassing the party and especially the youth leaders of Congress party, they have decided that this is only gone too far. So perhaps Navjot Singh Sidhu has chewed more than what he can really eat. He's now taken a moral high ground, a big stand. But apparently this has been looked at as a major embarrassment where the entire Congress flock could have been kept together. What we still continue to hear is different voices. Now, if Channi's face was the face of the CM, remember, there are very few people who would not know that Navjot Singh Sidhu had chief ministerial ambitions, and perhaps he thought with captain's ouster, he was the candidate, and that has also not gone his way. And that is why when Mr. Randhawa's name really finally cropped up, he said if a judge check had to be made, then it should have been Navjot Singh Sidhu. So there has been a lot of back and forth. But with the High Command finally firmly placing Channi as the Dalit leader for the first time in Punjab history, it does seem that they're not very happy with the antics of Navjot Singh Sidhu, him tweeting it out, them not reaching out to him. These are clear signals that things are not going down well, at least both for the Congress party and Navjot Singh Sidhu. Now, we do expect some movement out here. Let me just try and show you. We are outside Navjot Singh Sidhu's residence. You'll see a black flag out there. The flag being symbolic since the farmer agitation, and here are the Punjab police personnel. Now there are the convoy standing here and the Punjab police personnel are out here. All this is a mark that he is ready to leave. We've been told by the cops that he's ready to leave for Chandigarh. I don't know what signal he's waiting for, but now with this particular tweet, he's played his cards. There will be a certain reaction coming in. Now whether there will be efforts to placate him, or will he be shown the door, or whether he's already isolated. We've seen a few of the MLAs come to him, whether it's Raja Amrinder Vading, whether it is Pargat Singh, people who are close to him. But even those people have got cabinet berths, and there is a speculation that not many are now going to be willing to give that up to be on the side of Navjot Singh Sidhu. We saw Razia Sultan and several others did resign. But it seems that Congress is a divided camp, and instead of leading this entire flock and keeping them together, the PCC chief has not only resigned, but he's also embarrassed his own party. All these things going against Navjot Singh Sidhu at this point of time. So yes, he may be weighing his options, and so is Congress party.
Well, they would be weighing their options, and hence, since you mentioned that, does the Congress party have any names in the fray as far as who the next PCC would be, given the fact that they are unlikely to relent to the tantrums at the moment that are being thrown by Navjot Singh Sidhu? Because an issue like this could have been sorted out internally, but he's made a complete tamasha out of it. And like you rightly mentioned, the Congress party is divided into these various camps, and ahead of the election, it's not great optics for them.
Absolutely. Whether it is Kuljit Singh Nagra, whether it is Ravinder Singh Bittu, who's the Ludhiana face of Congress party, there are names which are doing the rounds. And for now, it does seem that Navjot Singh Sidhu is trying to take a high moral ground. But his options seem to be running out, with Congress trying to find a more suitable face to replace him. One is they've also paid heed to what Captain has been saying, that Navjot Singh Sidhu is not stable, that he would pull off something like this, embarrass. And even if Navjot Singh Sidhu had some issues, many said he could have talked to the party high command instead of making it very public and throwing this resignation, especially on social media. That now has not gone down well. But clearly, with elections around the corner, they need to settle this as fast as possible. Now, whether this is going to go with Navjot Singh Sidhu or without him is the key question. Congress party does seem is willing to take hard decision. We saw that coming with Captain Amrinder Singh and his ouster as the Chief Minister, and now with Navjot Singh Sidhu as well. So perhaps today is going to be a very crucial day as far as Sidhu is concerned, and what really is his political future in Congress party in Punjab.
Yes. Kamaljeet, I request you to stay on. For our viewers who have just tuned in, I just want to bring them up to speed. Navjot Singh Sidhu has gone ahead and broken his silence after his resignation. 72 days of being the PCC, the man has finally broken his silence. He resigned yesterday. It was a sudden resignation, caught the Gandhis off guard as well. Listen in to him breaking his silence.
17 ਸਾਲ ਦਾ ਰਾਜਨੀਤਿਕ ਸਫ਼ਰ ਇੱਕ ਮਕਸਦ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀਤਾ, ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਨੂੰ ਬਿਹਤਰ ਕਰਨਾ, ਟੂ ਮੇਕ ਅ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ, ਔਰ ਮੁੱਦਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਰਾਜਨੀਤੀ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਸਟੈਂਡ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਖੜਨਾ। ਇਹੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਧਰਮ ਸੀ, ਇਹੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਫਰਜ਼ ਸੀ। ਮੇਰੀ ਅੱਜ ਤੱਕ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਨਿੱਜੀ ਕਿੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹੀ, ਨਾ ਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਨਿੱਜੀ ਲੜਾਈਆਂ ਲੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਮੇਰੀ ਲੜਾਈ ਮੁੱਦਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਹੈ, ਮਸਲਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਹੈ। ਮੈਂ ਨਾ ਤੇ ਹਾਈ ਕਮਾਂਡ ਨੂੰ ਗੁੰਮਰਾਹ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਗੁੰਮਰਾਹ ਹੋਣ ਦੇ ਸਕਦਾ। ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਕੁਰਬਾਨੀ ਮੈਂ ਦਊਂਗਾ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਸਿਧਾਂਤਾਂ ਤੇ ਖੜੂੰਗਾ। ਇਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਸੋਚਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ। ਦਾਗੀ ਲੀਡਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਦਾਗੀ ਅਫਸਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਤਾਂ ਭੰਨਿਆ ਸੀ, ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲਿਆ ਕੇ ਉਹੀ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਖੜਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ। ਮੈਂ ਇਹਦਾ ਵਿਰੋਧ ਕਰਦਾ, ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਅੜੂ ਤੇ ਲੜੂ, ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਜਾਣ।
I'm taking this straight across to Kamaljeet Sandhu, who's been bringing us up to speed with the very latest developments, breaking the story down as well. Kamaljeet, you are standing live outside Sidhu's residence in Patiala. What seems to be his plan of action at the moment?
See, the party leaders Ajay Maken, Harish Chaudhary, they're already in Chandigarh, so they are reaching out as far as their effort is concerned with the MLAs. But that has been done a few days ago, so it's a sense of deja vu for the party. Now, the other parties, how do they move on from this particular embarrassment? Because with Gurjeet Singh Rana's name, with APS Deol and Navjot Singh Sidhu taking a moral high ground, may have made things difficult. Whatever dividends they were looking at in the face of Charanjit Singh Channi as a Dalit face, that seems to be very short-lived. There are still camps within Congress party. We do hear leaders both from Delhi as well as Punjab making statements. This does not augur well for Congress party. Now they have to decide as to how to diffuse the situation to ensure that the flock is kept together, and whether they are willing to kind of send a message, not just haul up Navjot Singh Sidhu, but also to ensure that he does not come in the way of perhaps what could be a political dividend with Charanjit Singh Channi. Perhaps the way things have gone, many who had been alleging that Channi was just a face and Navjot Singh Sidhu was flexing his muscles, that he was a super CM, with Channi taking certain hard decision, having his own appointments made. It does seem that there seems to be a division as far as Sidhu is concerned and Channi camp is concerned, a new problem as far as the Congress party is concerned. They would want to put back this embarrassment right behind them, but for now it doesn't seem that it's going to go away, at least for today. So they will have to actually find out a solution as soon as possible. Otherwise, it, many would say, seems to be a doomsday as far as Congress party is concerned.
All right, Kamaljeet, continue to be with us right there. Navjot Singh Sidhu has broken his silence finally. You heard it first here on India Today. We'll play that out for you once again. Compelled to take a very short commercial break here on India Today. But this remains to be our top focus. Stay with us.